Hello, welcome back. So I guess this is part two. So if you watched the video I did uploaded, it's been a few days. I went straight from that waterfall, and now we're here. If it looks familiar, that's because you watched it before. This is Bad Branch Falls on Lake Seed, and if it doesn't, then you can go back into the channel, and we've done this waterfall before as well, just like the last one. And this waterfall, actually, last time I did it, I actually climbed it a little bit on the edge so we could get up and see the second falls up the creek bed a little ways, but there's no chance that we're doing that today because with the ice, or I'm sorry, I hope there's ice. It's actually, when I got out and checked the temperature here, it's actually 20 degrees here versus 11 at Minnehaha Falls. The only thing is, we are a little bit more in the sun here where I parked. So I'm gonna head up this trail. This is another one that's not real long, so I should have time to get everything done, film a little bit, and hoping that since this is kind of back in a gully, that we've got some really nice ice forming, especially the way the water falls and hits these rocks and everything. So we'll go take a look and hopefully see something exciting. Now this is a promising look. I don't know if you can see real well across over here. The ice that's on this rock face right here. Now I'll go ahead and tell you, I already cheated. I already looked at the waterfall, and I'm not sharing yet. But see, there's a lot of ice over here. Waterfall looks great, so I'll go ahead and head up here. You can see this is what I was looking for. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I'll look over here real quick. Try not to get wet. Oh wow. This is what I was hoping Minnehaha Falls would look like. Love it. Awesome. Let me get out my other camera. This is exactly what I was hoping to find back here, knowing that the sun doesn't get back here very much. This is awesome. This ice, this is awesome. All right, everybody. So this is Bad Branch Falls on Lake Seed. And let me check, hang on, let me check my... So right now, it says it's 19 degrees right here in this hole, which it's cooler here because the sun, well, you can see the sun starting up there on the ridge. But, you know, this ice is gonna be here for a little while. So at 19 degrees, this is what Bad Branch looks like, and it's wonderful. Like I said, I was hoping Minnehaha had been a little icier, but this was well worth the little hike. So again, this is the second part of the hike for today on this Wednesday. I think I'm gonna head home and get ready for work. If you, like I said, if you're new to the channel, these are the kind of things I like to get out and do. Once it warms up and spring gets here, we'll be doing a lot of gardening and that sort of thing. But for now, I'm trying to get out, hike, film, do as many waterfalls as I can while it's cold. And I've got a couple trips planned later in the spring and summer for some waterfalls in South Carolina and North Carolina. So we'll look forward to those. But I appreciate everyone for coming back if you're subscribed to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, of course, I welcome you. Hope you enjoy everything that I'm doing. And just trying to get out and explore the mountains around me, because there's always something to do up here in North Georgia. So big thanks to everybody for stopping by. If you want to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, I appreciate all of it. So that's going to be it for today. I'm going to head out. You guys stay warm. Have a good day.